Hello there. This is just to show you how the OnMaths website works. So just in your search engine of choice, type OnMaths and it will bring up www.onmaths.com. Just click in it and come through. It does, you can see in the top right hand corner there, say sign up and sign in. You do not need to. Okay, those are for options if you want to pay for some of the resources that are on here. You absolutely don't need to do that. Okay, along the toolbar, we've got predicted papers, mini predicted papers, topics, demon questions, and mini mocks. I'm going to show you topics. Okay, it looks like this. GCSE topics, higher to check higher or foundation, depending which level you're doing. And then there's a selection of the 5 areas that are covered in the maths GCSE specification: number, algebra, proportion, geometry, and statistics. So we can let's click down to geometry. You see we've got all these options here. I'll just scroll down the screen to show you them. There we go. Lots and lots of options for everything that you would do on that topic. Now, the bars that you can see that say grades, and they are numbers 1 through 9 in green and blue. Grades 1 and 2 highlighted there in the green. That means that these questions cover grades 1 and 2. So if I just click on that one, and it takes us to angles, angles and triangles, you just press start paper. And there, the angle, the size of the angle marked R, well, those two angles together come to 105. All the angles in a triangle add up to 180, therefore it's 75. Press mark. Okay, it then comes down and it tells me I've got 1 mark out of 1. Yes, me. Okay, and it confirms the answer. Okay, if on the other hand you get an answer wrong, okay, which I'll deliberately do here, you can see it's given me no marks. It tells me what the right answer is. So I can use that information if I've got it wrong to think, right, what did I do wrong? Can I work backwards? How did they get that answer? Okay, and I'll just move to next question. Okay, you'll also see now that along the top of the screen, there's that green and blue again. So what's highlighted there is that green shows that there have been 2 possible marks so far, but I've only got 1. Okay, angle marked X. Again, I'm just going to pop random numbers in just to come out of here so you can see what it looks like at the end. There and there. So there you go. That was my very quick one. I didn't do very well in it. Didn't try very hard. If I decided that, oh, you know, I only got 25% there, it's not very good, and I go back in and try it again, I will get similar questions, but not the same. So it's very, very good for practice. Click on the OnMaths logo in the top left to go back to the home page. The next one I'm going to show you is predicted papers. These are just predicted papers, as in they're what might come up, but we have no guarantees. So again, you will choose your level. I'll go for foundation, and then the next drop-down box is for your exam board. So Edexcel, AQR, AQA, OCR, or Educast is what you can choose from. Okay, so Edexcel, this is their predicted paper for May 2025. Okay, we're just going to click on that and it'll open it up. Okay, again, we just press start paper. If you wanted the downloads, those you have to pay for. Okay, so I've got my first question. Let's see, Aisha finds the sum of 1 and 1 and writes this number down. Sum means add. She then finds the product of 9 and the answer she wrote down. Find the number Aisha ends with. I think that's 18. I think it means it's 2 times 18. Let's just mark that. Oh, phew, I got it right. Okay, so these are a bit more time consuming. They'll work your way through. You'll see on the blue bar at the top, you have got indications for grade boundaries. Please remember they are only an indication and we have no idea what the grade boundary will be. I'll just come out of that and go back to there. Okay, there are other things. You can do the mini predicted papers if you don't have an hour or so to spend on it, and there's lots of other things. The demon questions are very hard. We've also got mini mocks. So again, if you want just a smaller one to see how you're doing, you've got them there. They're not exam board specific, just higher foundation. Okay, thoroughly recommend OnMaths as a tool for you to use because you can get some instant feedback. Don't do it if you're feeling tired because you will make silly mistakes and you'll get answers wrong and you'll get angry with yourself.